So this homework number 2, is on isolating a variable in an equation. And we spent some time on it. Hopefully you remember it. It is a little more difficult, so I've actually pulled a few problems from the homework assignment itself. So you'll definitely want to be writing these down, or you can even pull up the homework assignment on Big Ideas and split your screen and do the homework assignment with me. When we get to problems from the assignment, I will let you know which one it is so that you can do those with me. So this first one we're going to do, we need to isolate a variable, and I'm going to isolate it for y. So we have this equation right here. Oops. And I want to get y all by itself, which just means I need to do the opposite of whatever's happening to it as I move that piece to the opposite side. So we currently have this minus 6 that's with the y. I want to get rid of a minus 6. The opposite of minus is plus, so let's just add 6x. If I do it to the left side of the equal sign is right here, I better add it to the right side of the equal sign as well. 6x is gone from the left side, and we have y equals 6x plus 4. Or you can write it as y equals 4 plus 6x. Doesn't really matter which order you put it in. So that was just that. You'll have a couple of problems on the homework assignment very similar to that. Just quick, easy, move the x variable over. This one, same thing. We're going to solve for y. And this one is number 3 from Big Ideas, from the homework assignment. Okay, so we need to get y by itself. And there's 2 things that are happening to the y. We've got the minus 18x, and then we have the times by 2. So let's start by adding that 18x over to the right-hand side. Because our goal is to isolate the y, we need to get everything away from it. So we get 2y equals 18x minus 26. Y is not by itself yet, though. So we need to get rid of that 2 that's in front of the y. And in order to get rid of that 2, it's being multiplied right now. The opposite of multiply is divide. That makes it go away. But if I divide it to the y, I need to divide the 18 and the 26 as well. So that leaves us with y equals, let's see, 18 divided by 2 is 9x. 26 divided by 2 is 13. So y equals 9x minus 13. So that's what you'll have under number 3 for your homework. Make sure you know what steps I took to get to that. Don't just copy it in. Pay attention as I go through this, okay? Number 5, same thing. This is number 5 from homework number 3. But please make sure you pay attention as I do this. Don't just zoom ahead and write the answer down. We need to get y by itself. I forgot to write that on all of these. So solve for 1. So let's subtract the 9x. Because we want to get y by itself. We got to get rid of the 9x. Negative y equals negative 9x plus 45. Make sure you do not forget this negative in front of the y, because that means y is not by itself yet. We've got to get rid of that negative there. So I'm going to treat it as if it's a negative 1y and divide by negative 1. What I do to one thing, I have to do to all things. So it's gone there. Y equals negative 9 divided by negative 1 is positive 9x. It's not 8. It's 9 divided by 1, so it's 9x. 45 divided by 1, negative 1 makes negative 45. Again, if you just fast forward it to get to your answer, that's cheating. Go back, make sure you know how I got there. Okay, this is number 7 from the homework assignment. Ooh, you know what? I think I messed up on this one. I said homework number 3. Number 5 was from homework number 2. My bad. Sorry. So homework number 2. On this one, our job is to get x by itself. So to get x by itself, we need to start by combining our like terms. 4x and 8x are like terms because they both have an x on them, which makes this y equals 12x. We're trying to get x by itself, so I need to get rid of this 12. It's a multiply by 12. Opposite of multiply is divide. So then, x equals y divided by 12. And I've got one more problem for you here. This one is also on the homework. We are asked to, let me double check because I didn't write that one down and I don't remember. Yeah, we need to solve for y on that problem. So this is number 10 from homework. Number 2, don't fast forward and get to the answer. Follow along as I do this. We're trying to get y by itself. So I want to get this variable right here all by itself. I'm going to start by getting rid of this 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 over. And when I do that, it's not like dividing. Dividing you have to do to every term because you like distribute it in. Minusing you just do to the like term. So 8x minus 8 equals 4y. Now we have to divide. And what this is it's dividing the whole equation by 4, just like this was dividing or subtracting the whole equation from 5 from the whole equation, but that you just combine like terms. Sorry, if that confused you, don't worry about it. All I'm saying here is when we divide the whole equation by 4, it means divide 8 by 4, divide 8 by 4, we get 4x. 8 divided by 2 is not 4. Try that again. 8 divided by 4, so we get 2x minus 2 equals y. Okay, and there's your answer on number 10. So this homework assignment is a little more difficult for some of you. That's okay. I just did several of the problems from that assignment with you. Click on the live tutor link if it's available on the questions you're struggling with, or click on the tutorials. If you have questions about specific problems, feel free to email me, but hopefully I've done enough with you that you're able to do the rest of them on your own.